Hello everyone, I'm Abhay and today we're gonna talk about how to describe your day in English. If I ask you right now, how was your day? Will you answer me confidently in English? Or do you stop and think, what should I say? Where should I start? And which tense should I use? Many learners understand English, but when they try to describe their day, their routine, their hobbies, their activities, their mind goes blank. So today in this video, I will show you how to describe your day easily, naturally and confidently without any pressure, without any hesitation, without any shy. In this video today I will show you a very simple system to describe your day in English very clearly and confidently. By the end of this video you will be able to speak your day for 2-3 minutes easily. Many learners struggle with one big question: what should I talk about? They wait for perfect English grammar, they wait for perfect ideas, they wait for specific topics. And because they don't know how to say what to say, they stay silent. But you don't need a special topic. You have already won your day. So describing your day is most powerful ways to improve your speaking English. Why? Because it is real. And you are not memorizing sentences. You are not reading from a book. You are talking about your own life. Practice English in real life. In real life, people often ask, how was your day? What did you do today? If you can answer this smoothly, you are already improving your conversation skills. Improve fluency naturally. Fluency means speaking English without stopping too much. When you describe your day regularly, your brain learns to organize thoughts: morning, afternoon, evening. And then your speaking becomes clearer and your pauses become shorter. So you don't think too much, just try to speak. When you talk about your day, you automatically use past tense. How? For example, I wake up, I went to walk, I made a friend. By this way, you are learning grammar without studying grammar. Actually, this is natural learning, natural practicing English. Build confidence daily. When you talk about your day, when you describe your day, you complete a small task every day. So, by that way, you practicing English. Remember this: small wins build confidence. If you speak daily, if you practice daily for 30 days, then you will feel more comfortable in speaking English. Remember this: confidence doesn't come from perfection, confidence comes from repetition. Many learners stop speaking because they don't know how to say, how to speak, how to organize their thoughts. If they start talking, then they get confused easily because they don't know what to say next. Once your mind becomes calm, you can become normal and your brain will work nicely. So here is a very simple and natural 5-step structure you can use every day. To describe your day, I'm showing 5-step formula system. And number 1, morning. In the morning, start with how your day began. Ask yourself, what time did I wake up? How did I feel? What did I do first? For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I felt sleepy and I brushed my teeth and had breakfast. Keep it simple, short sentence and continue your practice in English and think about your activities. Afternoon. In the afternoon, now you talk about your main activities. Ask yourself, did I go to work or school? What did I do? Was it busy or relaxed? For example, in the afternoon, I went to work. It was quite busy. I had two meetings and I finished my tasks. So keep your sentence simple and use past sentence and focus on actions. Evening. In the evening, you talk about how your day ended. So ask yourself, did I relax? Did I meet someone? What did I do at home? For example, in the evening, I come back home. I watched some videos and had dinner with my family. You are just telling a story, nothing complicated. So you just try to make short sentence simple and use past tense. Something interesting. This part makes your speaking more natural and engaging. Ask yourself, did something funny happen? Did I learn something new? Did I face a challenge? For example, something interesting happened today. I met an old friend unexpectedly. How you felt. In this part, always end your feelings and you ask yourself, how did you feel? Ask yourself, was it a good day? Was I tired? Was I happy or stressed? For example, overall, it was a productive day and I felt satisfied. So, this kind of practice feelings will make you more confident in English. So, keep trying, make shorter, simple, and use past tense. Full example practice. In this part, I will show you full example practice from morning to evening. Let's start. Today, I wake up at 6 a.m. and I felt fresh and I made a coffee and I read some news. In the evening, I went a short walk and I watched a movie and relaxed. Keep like this very simple activities your morning to evening, even before sleep. You can think and you can make simple and short sentence and try to make your sentence should be past because you will think about your past activities. This way you can keep questioning to ask yourself and you can practice simple, clear and natural. If you are a serious English learner and you want to improve your speaking English, then you describe your day 2-3 minutes per day. Then you can be more confident and natural in speaking English. Remember, daily speaking builds confidence. So you don't wait for perfect grammar, perfect English, and perfect situation. Just try to speak, just try to describe your day, just try to describe your moment, and you will feel more confident. You can speak English fluently, naturally, and confidently. How's this lesson today? Please let me know in comments. And if this video is helpful for you, please subscribe and share with others. In this video, that's all for now. In the next video, we will discuss with a new chapter, new topic about English. So keep watching and keep growing in English. Thank you. See you.